If you look at the bottom line of this is the eBay screenshot, and this year 14,000, but the last 90 days is only 15,000. And then if you look at the 31 days, it's 13,000, which is a 710% increase on what I was doing. Basically, what it is, I have two products, one a skincare product and also a supplement. So what I did was, over the last 3 years, put up 50 odd listings on eBay. A combination of one product with three of the others, or one of each, or two of each. And just before Christmas, I went on and put on sponsored advertising on every listing. That advertising is 2% of the sell price. Every time someone buys the product, it costs 2%. It's not per click. So what it is if the product's in demand, which you can see there's 258,000 impressions, and the conversion rate was 4.1%. You can see there's quite an increase in percentage on everything. But the 710 is just phenomenal. There's a possibility that eBay have taken off quite a few of the other sellers. Plus, that my name on eBay is Genuine Product Supply, so it falls into line with eBay's authenticity statements. And I put a transparency guarantee, or I guarantee that's authentic product. I just shove it in the description, let the customer see it. No, it's really just going through each listing and just making sure the images look okay. Take new ones if possible. But most of these listings that I have there have been there since 2017. And plus the other way of doing a bit of tweaking is when you've got your followers, you actually drop your price $1. This is a high priced item too. This is something $90 per unit or up to $280 per unit. But if you drop your price $1, eBay will send an email to all of your customers that are following it. There'll be a leading product. So one of the best combinations in this scenario where these dollars have come from and sales have come from is three of the supplement and one sample of the skincare. So it's a free sample. That's worked very well. The other thing to note here is eBay has turned into 60% of my business. The other 40% is Amazon. So what you're looking at is 60% of the sales that have gone through. I started in 1998, but it was selling things out of my garage. But the listing of the product went in 2016, went professional in March 2017, and then ran it FBM up till 2020, and then joined Amazon in June 2020 and went global in the first week. They are basically FBM and dropship, and Amazon's FBA and FBM running two joint accounts. So we actually price fix between the two accounts.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 people and growing. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right now, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you would like to find out more about what we do and also come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieontrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, bye for now.